might be in a situation where CapCut is just not showing up with the templates within TikTok that you want to go ahead and post. So it's a little complicated, but essentially what happens is as soon as you open up the CapCut application, make sure you have CapCut installed and make sure that application is updated. If you do not have an updated version of CapCut and you do not have an updated version of TikTok, those two applications need to kind of talk to each other. And if you're not up to date on either one of those, well, that could be the problem. So what I would do, what I would recommend doing, is going into your App Store, just like this, your App Store, Google Play Store. Go ahead and search up CapCut, just like this. So go and search up CapCut, and you want to download and install the latest version of this app. So go ahead and update this application. And then what you also want to do is you want to go and update TikTok. So go and click on TikTok just like so, and you want to update this application. If this app has been severely outdated, meaning you haven't updated this thing in weeks or months, if it's been like months, then that's a big problem. If it's a week or two, it's not a big deal. But go ahead and update and install the latest version of this specific application. And then what you want to do is make your way back into CapCut, and that might actually end up fixing the problem. You want to go ahead and then find that specific application that you were trying to, or that template that you're trying to use, and that actually could end up fixing the problem for probably a lot of people out there. Now you can also find templates within CapCut right here if you're not going straight from TikTok. So you can click on templates right here, and you will find a ton of templates that you can use. So all you have to do here is go ahead and find the template that you're using. So let's say you want to use like whatever, this one, it doesn't matter. What you can do is you can go and choose on this template. Right at the very bottom, you'll see use template right there. And you can go and click here. You want to allow access to all photos and videos. And then from here, you'll be able to bring in your own photo and video that you want to. So now what you want to do is you want to bring a video in, so you can choose this one. You want to click whatever this is, resume, whatever preview, and then you'll basically be able to see that template, hopefully, and it's working. Now, like I said, if it's not working, it's probably because that application hasn't been updated. So update the app. You may want to make sure you're connected to an internet connection. And like I said, a majority of the time, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and it will probably fix it in and of itself. So, and that's pretty much how it's done for the most part. As you can see, it's probably going to work of some way. And from here, you can go and see that there's, whatever this template is that's on top. And from here, you can go and post it. You can export it, do whatever you want to, and that's pretty much how to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.